Hello learners. Welcome to a new exciting video of this TypeScript playlist. In this video, we will go through the concept of generics in TypeScript in details. If you are watching this video, make sure to watch this video from playlist. Do subscribe this channel, like this video and share with your friends. Do access this playlist from the link in the description. I create videos mostly on web development and prompt engineering. Let's start the video. Generics allow you to write reusable, flexible, and type-safe code by allowing types to be passed as parameters to functions, classes, interfaces, etc. Instead of hard-coding types, we use placeholders that are filled in when the code is used. Let's understand through some examples. Before actually looking into the generics, let's first create a function with which will take a string parameter as input and will return string. Our code runs fine. Now what if we pass a number value to the function instead of a string? As the return type and parameter type is defined as string, so it is showing error that number is not assignable to parameter of type string, so to fix it we will use any type. Here comes the use of generics. In the place of specifying the type, you can use placeholders like anything as per your comfort. In this example, we are using T. Generics make our code reusable, so we can use multiple types while passing the value of the parameter. In the place of T you can use anything as placeholders, but you need to specify it again and again as shown. Our code runs fine. Going more deeper into the concept, let's understand how to use extend keywords in generics. In this example, we are trying to print the length of the string which is passed as the parameter. Since length of the string is of type number, thus, it is showing error line. In order to fix it we will use extend keyword. Now let's see an example, where we will see how to use generics for multiple types. But before that we will write a function that will take string and number both as an argument. Boom! Our code runs fine. Now let's update our code using multiple generics. Now let's see an example of generics with arrays. Now let's see an example of generics with classes. The best part of using generics is that our code is reusable and it can be used more multiple types as well. This was all in this video. Hope I was able to explain the topic clearly. If so, like this video, share with your friends and do not forget to subscribe this channel. Also comment your suggestion which part you like the most, as this channel is new and needs your support. Join our Discord server from link in the description. See you very soon in the next video. Bye.